Very good morning to all. All of you are here with your higher frequency of energy to do best in your subjects. It's a matter of pleasure that all of you are taking interest in your e-learning studies due to this crucial period in the world. Students, today I am expressing you one thought. The thought of the day is the harder you work, the luckier you will become. Are you understanding the meaning of this thought? Every time we wish everyone all the best, good luck. Why? It means you are praying for his best future, for his success in the work. But can you say how can you obtain our best luck? We only obtained it through our hard work. So only I have to say the only way to increase your luck is work hard and your future will be the best. In last class already I have completed chapter 4. Today I am going to start lesson 5 and this is about the birds, beaks and claws. In class 3 you also have read about the bird, but that was only about the nesting habits of the birds. And in this chapter we will read about the feeding habits of the birds. Like all living things, birds also eat food. We are living things and food is very necessary for our survival. Birds also take food, but one interesting thing about the bird is that birds do not have teeth. They use their beaks for their food and use claws to catch the food. They also protect themselves with the help of beaks and claws from their enemies. There are different types of birds and different types of birds eat different types of food. Some birds eat fruits, roti. Some birds eat flesh of animals and any other things.
Hello, Jemmy. Jemmy, I said hello. What are you thinking?
Nancy, I want to tell you something. Yesterday, my father bought a bird for me. My pet bird does not have any teeth.
Don't worry, birds do not have teeth. They use their beaks to tear, bite, chisel or crush the food.
Oh, really?
The shape of the beak is according to the food habit of the bird. Some birds use their beaks to fight the enemy or catch the prey. They also use it for preening their feathers.
Nancy, what is preening?
Preening means to clean the feathers and set them right. The birds spread the wax secreted at the base of the feathers. During this process,
I have seen many birds. They all seem to have different types of beaks.
yes, birds can have crushing beak, curved beak, piercing and steering beak, chiseling beak, probing beak, sifting beak, sticky beak. Do you know birds like sparrow and pigeon have a short and hard beak. They use it for crushing seeds and grains to make them soft before eating. Which bird do you have, Jenny?
It's a parrot and it has a red beak.
Birds like parrots have a curved beak. This helps them in cracking nuts and fruits. Birds like eagle and vulture have a strong, hard and curved beak. It helps them to tear the flesh. Chiseling beak. Birds like the woodpecker have a strong, long and straight beak. This helps them to peck at the wood and eat insects present in the wood. While pecking at something, a bird moves its beak forward quickly and bites at it. Probing beak. Some birds, like the hummingbird, the sunbird, and the hoopoo, have a long and slender beak. Sunbird sucks nectar from flowers, while hoopoo takes out insects and worms from the holes in the ground.
Nancy, I have heard a hummingbird can flap its wings 90 times in just 1 second.
Yes, it's true. Now, listen about sifting beak. The dove has a flat and broad beak which has small holes on both sides. It digs up the food along with mud from the base of the pond or lake. Its beak pushes out the mud and water from the holes, leaving the food behind. Its beak thus helps it to sift food from mud and water. Sticky beak. A swallow has a small, broad and sticky beak. The beak is sticky from inside. This helps the swallow to catch flies while flying. Jenny, do you know? The arrival of flocks of swallows is a sure sign that summer is on its way.
Nancy, see, there's a bird. Look at its feet. How is it able to sit on a wire?
I can tell you about feet and claws of birds.
Students, as I explained you, birds do not have teeth. They use their beaks to eat their food, and their beaks are also used to tear, bite, sizzle or crush the food. And shape of the beaks are present in the birds according to their food habits. Some birds use their beaks to fly their animal. It means for their protection also, and to catch their prey. They also use it for preening their feathers. There are different types of beaks present in the bird. Such beaks are crushing beaks, curved beaks, chiseling beaks, probing beaks, sticky beak. Crushing beaks, such beaks are present in birds like sparrow, pigeon. It is short and hard beak. Curved beak, it is found in parrot. Such beaks helps them to eat the fruits. Another type of beak, piercing and tearing beak. Such beaks help bird to tear the flesh. Example is eagle and vulture. They have strong and curved beak that helps them to tear the flesh. Now, next one is the chiseling beak. Chiseling beaks help the birds to pick at the wood and eat insects. Such beak help them to pick from the wood and eat insects present in the wood. And the next one again, probing beak. Some birds have long and cylinder beaks. Example is sunbird, whoopie. Sunbird suck nectars from flowers and whoopie takes out insects and worms from the ground. So these all are the types of beak which helps the bird to take the food and do another work. Such type of beak is found in the duck. Duck has flat and broad beak which has holes on both sides. It digs up the food along with the mud. It beaks head to sift food from mud and water. And the last one is the sticky beak. Sticky beak is found in swallow. The beak is sticky from inside means a liquid is found inside the beak which helps them to catch the fly. They catch such type flies sticks with the help of the substance and they take inside it as the food. It's the time of classwork regarding the chapter. There are some fill in the blanks and match the following. I am giving you. Your first question is fill in the blanks. Birds do not have dash to eat food. Your answer is given in the side. Answer is here. Teeth. Second one. Sunbird dash nectar from flower. Sunbird sucks nectar from flower. Third one. A duck has a dash and broad beak. A duck has a flat and broad beak. Second B is the match the following. You will write the answer in front of the question. Sunbird. Its answer is probing beak. As I given you, answer is written in front of the question. In the same way, you have to write eagle, piercing and tearing beak, parrot, curved beak, duck, shifting beak, swallow, sticky beak, woodpecker, chiseling beak, pigeon, crushing beak. These all are the answers. All of you will do it in your science copy. Now it's the time of homework. Here name of the bird is given here and you have to write name of the place where you have saw it. And the next is what type of food such birds eat. This is homework. All of you will do it carefully. Okay. Have a nice day.